Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. And in this video today I will take you a time test of past perfect tense, and including our part is 8 as you can see on the board. And today we will practice, and today we will see that is how much we have learned. Okay, today we will explore our weakness, okay, and also our improvement. Okay, so no more talking, let's get started. So here, first of all, I have divided each examples into the different categories, but it is the same sentence. Okay, sorry, same tense. So let's start from the one. Before the guests arrived, the family find blank their best plates. Okay, so here our verb 1 is here find, so we have to change the verb, we have to change it, we have to make it into the positive. So what is the past participle form? Find, found, found. Okay, so here found, we can get find, found, found. So here, but before that we have to add the had. Found. So before the guests arrived, the family had found their best plates, cooked delicious food. What it will be? Had cooked. And clean the whole house. Okay, here we can see our verb is clean. What it will be? Had cleaned, because it is also the regular one. So here we can get the meaning of this example. The next, by the time we got home, the ice cream, here we can get a verb that is melt. Okay, melt. So what it will be? What is the past participle form of melt? Melt, melted, melted. Okay, so melted, melted, melted. By the time we got home, the ice cream melted. Okay, melted. Okay, so we have already clear about 1 and 2 numbers. So let's read first. Before the guests arrived, the family had found their best plate. Okay, before when the guests arrived. Okay, on the time, the family had already found their best plates, and they had cooked delicious food and also had cleaned the whole house. Okay, and the 2 number says that is by the time we got home, the ice cream melted. Okay, so when they got home, the ice cream has the ice cream had melted. Okay, so here we have already cleared the 1 and 2. Okay, these are the different situations by using 1 tense. Next, it stopped blank snowing before we landed. Yes, it stopped. Okay, what it will be? Here our verb is a stop. Stop. So what is it? Is it regular or irregular? Remember that you have studied this a lot. Yes, it is the regular, but you can only add the ed on this. Why? Let me tell you. So here, first of all, I have to add the had. Here I have already written the had, and then I have to put the verb. Here it follows the CVC pattern. So here if we check, that is P is here consonant, O is vowel, and T is what? Consonant. Okay, as we know, CVC stands for consonant, vowel, and consonant, and this rule follows of these words. So so after this word, if the last if this rule follows, the last letter will be doubled. So here our last letter is P, so we have to double this. Then it becomes like this. It had stopped snowing before we landed. So here we have already cleared the 3. Now we will explore the number 4. Okay, So which sentence has been written in number 4? Before the babysitter arrived, the kids here go to bed but not go to sleep. So here this is go. Go is the irregular. So what it will be the past participle. Go went gone. So here before this we can use the had and then we can put the past participle here, that is gone. Gone. Before the babysitter arrived, the kids had gone to bed. Gone to bed. But here our verb is here not go, which indicates us to make the sentence into the negative. So what it will be? Hadn't. Hadn't. I have to add the apostrophe. Hadn't gone. So before the babysitter arrived, the kids had gone to bed but hadn't gone to sleep. So these are some practice tips that we have learned so long. Okay, so I hope that is you may done some mistake. You may do the mistake. Okay, or some of you can give all the correct answer, or some of you can give the wrong answers. Okay, but no problem. If you catch your weakness, try to solve this and just do. Okay, follow your progress, then you will improve. When you get succeed, then you will understand how much longer have I worked. Okay, so no more talking. See you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.